It is a busy time here on campus as we welcome the start of a new academic year. There is excitement as the first phase of our major renovation project in the SSC nears completion. Crews are now putting the finishing touches on spaces. Carpeting and doors are being installed, and furniture is awaiting delivery. College staff from a variety of areas, including registration, financial aid, and other key departments, are preparing to return to spaces designed to enhance the COD student experience. As the final weeks of Phase 1 are completed, I invite you to familiarize yourselves with the new spaces. But the work is not done yet, as the second half of this ambitious project begins later this semester. Look for more updates coming soon, which will include information on additional office moves. Until then, I wish you a successful start to your academic year. Go Chaps!